Hello everyone. So I just finished up mounting in the radio, adding the sweep circuit, and let me turn this on. So the only thing I need to do is drill a couple of holes, mount the sweep circuit, um, and yeah, just mount the adjustable sweep knob, um, a quick scan button on the front of the box, and then it will be complete. So let me just turn it on and let you hear what it sounds like. So it does have an adjustable sweep. So I'm just adjusting the sweep as we go. So it does scan pretty fast.
Picture. Every car. That everyone. When it your. Peace.
With guitar.
Viable. Tempora.
Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick demo. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This box is pretty clear. Pretty happy with it. God, my boxes are just getting more and more clear, seems like. Anyway, if you have any questions, like I said, feel free to ask. All right, bye-bye.